Jeff McDermott, Crete Truck Center. You know it's got to be a Mack with that bulldog on the hood. What I've got today is a Mack MD6 26,000 GVW non-CDL. It's got a Cummins 300 horsepower engine, air ride suspension. You see an air ride seat. We'll take a quick peek at the interior cab. Mounted on this Mack MD is the Retriever by Versatran. This is a 20-foot 6T. Just do a quick walk around. It's an air-operated body, probably the most innovative in the industry. You see them nice work lights, strobe lights. There's the control box for the bed. You see the aluminum rims. And we'll take another quick peek at the inside on the passenger side. Again, Jeff, Crete Truck Center, Madison. Give me a shout, 608-225-7555. Have a great day.